Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to join the Acquire English group on Facebook, where you can see our latest videos and ask any questions. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about routines. Routines are all of the things you do regularly. Please listen while I talk about my morning routine. I have a regular morning routine. I always wake up at 5:45 and do yoga. I never eat breakfast, but I always drink coffee. I leave my house at 7:30, walk to the station, and catch the train at 7:40. I get to work at 8:15. It's the same every day. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the grammar I used to talk about my morning routine. Maybe you noticed that all of my verbs or actions were in the present tense. Wake up, do, eat, drink, leave, walk, catch, get. All of them are in what we call the present tense. And we use the present tense to talk about a regular activity, or of course, as we said before, a routine. When we use the present tense, it means that this is a regular activity for us. It means this is something we do now regularly, we have done in the past regularly, and we will do in the future regularly. So remember, here I said, I always wake up at 5:45 and do yoga. This means I woke up today at 5:45 and did yoga. I woke up yesterday at 5:45 and did yoga, and I will wake up tomorrow at 5:45 and do yoga. This is my routine, and I use the present tense, wake and do, to show this. Let's go back to this sentence. I never eat breakfast, but I always drink coffee. Never in this situation simply means this is not part of my morning routine, whereas always means this is part of my routine 100%. I never eat breakfast, 0%, not part of my routine, and I always drink coffee, 100% part of my morning routine. Now that we know how to use always and never with the present tense when we talk about our routines, let's add some more words. We can also use usually, often, sometimes, and hardly ever. Let's take a look at some examples. I usually play soccer on Sundays. I usually put milk in my coffee. I often go to the movies. I often exercise. I sometimes ride my bike to school. I sometimes argue with my wife. I hardly ever eat spicy food. I hardly ever drink beer. Okay, and now let's listen one more time. I have a regular morning routine. I always wake up at 5:45 and do yoga. I never eat breakfast, but I always drink coffee. I leave my house at 7:30, walk to the station, and catch the train at 7:40. I get to work at 8:15. It's the same every day. And now it's your turn. Comment below by telling us about your routine. Be sure to use the words we learned today: always, usually, often, sometimes, hardly ever, and never.